All right, Jordan. Let me see the fishy.
No, it's stuck.
Is it stuck? Hold on, let me fix it.
No.
You got it? All right, let me see. Let me see the fishy.
Fishy!
Cool. That's a big fish.
No, it's baby.
That's a baby fishy?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi, fishy.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Adios, amigo.
Hi, Mom.
You did a good job casting that. Now reel it in.
Hey. Give Sheena hi. I gotta go bye-bye.
No, I'm catching fish. A baby fish for you.
Oh, okay.
Me? Are you? Okay. But she needs a hug.
No.
No?
It's fish.
Okay.
Are you going to say hi to Nana? Because I'm going to send this to her.
Okay. There, you got my... Yay! Good boy.
Jordan, can you say hi, Nana?
Give Sheena a kiss. Here.
No.
Come here. Come here.
No.
You got to say bye-bye. She's leaving.
I'm leaving.